I was at the award ceremony for the first round of the apps competition. I looked around and saw that there were not enough women. Right after the community round, I started reaching out on Twitter and Facebook and email to my friends, and particularly to female developers that I knew. I very quickly started hearing back from other female developers. One of the things that was harder was to find students, and we all agreed that it would be nice to have some female students on the team that we could mentor as well. So one of the emails I sent out, I specifically asked for leads to female students. I was introduced to Mindy Faber.
I founded an organization called Open Youth Networks that was really designed to bring young people in intergenerational collaboration with designers, technologists, artists, and digital media makers. So I got this email one morning from Pallavi Anderson saying, I'm a software engineer and I'm really interested in working with young women and mentoring them and entering this app contest. Keep in mind, we had 3 days to build a team. If you are a woman who's interested in computer science or programming or coding, you tend to find that network of supports. So once you put the word out into those networks, then we were able to find the young women.
Mindy asked if we had any specific plans for an app that we wanted to build, which we didn't. So we needed a need. We needed something that we could really put our energy towards. We also had this idea that we wanted to focus on the positive and be a voice for the community.
I was like, I have the perfect community group and I have some ideas for the app as well. Little Village is 101 acres deficient in park land. And here's 23 acres sitting there. So the residents finally got the city to buy this parkland and develop it into a park. This gave us an opportunity to create an app that would allow residents to engage in the design and planning of their future park.
This is a great opportunity. A park really is a positive thing. It brings community together.
Well, I sketched out a template of the ideas of how the app could possibly work. Then we went to the community of Little Village and visited Little Village Environmental Justice Organization and presented it to see what they had to say, and they absolutely flipped over it. It was integrated into Facebook, which is where the young people are. But it's also a web-based app. It can function on a screen or on a mobile device. Our notifications and advisories are actually pushed out from the app to text messages, and it's also bilingual.
In the community round, we won the second place in the public vote, and we also won a special award for placemaking. The placemaking award is something that the Metro Planning Council, along with IBM, created specifically for the community round of the apps competition. There's a chance to feel like I'm using my skills towards actually making a difference in a very tangible way towards a community. This was our way of volunteering what we can do, our core competency towards helping something bigger than just us.
The park isn't going to be there until 2014. The community needs to stay invested and engaged as that park is being built. The app is a way to do that. What I would like to ultimately see is that the people in the community of Little Village become the software designers. They become not the people that are programmed by the technology, but the programmers of the technology that empower them and help them improve their community.